Okay, so now we have the minor pentatonic and then the minor blues. Okay, and we've gotten comfortable with the patterns, and we're comfortable with the mechanics, and we can kind of play those scales ascending and descending, and start to incorporate the quarter notes, the shuffle rhythm, and the triplets. So all we have to do is, once we have this pattern, all we have to do is this. Before, in the first video when we talked about the pentatonic scales, I mentioned this. Whatever, when I'm playing 1, 4, 5, 1, let's say, and I start on this note right here, my tonic. If I start the scale here with the index finger and then I play that pattern, I get a minor pentatonic scale. In this case, just so you can see how they kind of relate to the minor scale, in a minor scale I'd have natural minor. I'd have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. And my half steps would be between B and C, 2 and 3, and E and F, 5 and 6. And so in a minor pentatonic scale, what I do is I omit that second scale degree, so I have a minor third, and then I omit that sixth scale degree and go right to the 7. So if I thought about the notes in terms of an A minor scale, I'd have 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1. So now if I take that pattern, and then again we talked about 1, 3, 4, flat 5, 5, 7, 1 for the blues scale. Now once I get used to that pattern, if I take the same exact scale, and wherever my tonic is, if I'm playing this chord, or if I'm playing this chord, or this, that chord. So right here, if I take that tonic, and instead of putting the index finger there, I put the pinky there, and I play the exact same scale. So if I was playing minor, I'd start right here, F sharp minor. But I'm actually gonna make it major, and I'm gonna start on A. But it's the same pattern. So now I have this pentatonic, it's the same exact pattern, but you can think of it like this. I just shift the pattern down 3 frets, and then I omit the first finger. So instead of starting here and going, I just shift that whole thing down 3 frets, and instead of starting on this note, I just start on the pinky. And now this is a major pentatonic scale. And if I think about it, I'm starting on A, so the notes I have now are A, B, C sharp, E, F sharp, A. So if I thought about this in terms of a major scale, I'd have A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. So again, I can see I've omitted the D, the C sharp to the D, and the F sharp to the G sharp. So, G sharp to the A. So I've omitted the half steps again. So I have root, second, third, fifth, sixth, tonic. So again, now my major pentatonic scale is the same pattern. Slid down 3. Starting the tonic on the pinky and omitting this note. And then same, excuse me, let me do that again. And there's my major pentatonic scale. Now, the same thing where I added these flat 5s here. So I added the second finger between the first and third finger, and then the pinky on top of the first and third finger here. I do the same thing here, but these are no longer flat 5ths, they're flat 3s. So I have A, B, C natural, C, D, E, F sharp, A, then here's my B, and then there's the C natural again, C sharp, E, F sharp, A. So then now my blues scale here goes. And so just so I can kind of hear how these go a little bit, I'll comp on the A major chord here for like a bar, and then I'll just play up and down the scale. So here would be A, I'll do the blues scales. So here would be A blues over this. then here would be major. If that kind of makes sense. So I know this one's going to be a little trickier, and when we went over this in class, I know there was like some confusion. Hopefully just kind of seeing how those things work together and seeing how the pattern, so wherever the tonic is, or here, or whatever chord you're doing, if I play from that note with the first finger and play this pattern, then I'm getting a minor blues. But if I play from the pinky and play the same pattern, then I'm getting a major blues. And we will cover all of this in class. So I hope that's helpful. Please email or through Canvas or otherwise any questions that you might have. And I'll see you guys on Friday. Hope you had a good break.